This code implements the Welzl algorithm for finding the minimal enclosed circle given a set of points. We run the program starting with first activating the virtual environment and continuing with running the minimal enclosed circle given a set of input data. So the input data are in a JSON format with XY coordinates, and we are searching a circle so that all points are inside and the radius of the circle is minimal. So this code will run first the main double underscore preceding and tailing given the functions, first loading the points and then the minimum enclosed circle, later visualizing the points, and this minimal enclosed circle is from the MEC file where I defined the functions. So here for corner cases, when there are 2 or 3 points, this means if there are 2 points, it's just the radius is half the distance between the 2 arbitrary points, and for 3 points, then if they are on a line, there's a case. If they are not aligned, there's another case. Then the Welzl algorithm, the recursive algorithm, continues or follows, and finally then the points and circle is visualized using the plot circle function. So the code uses the numpy package and the plotly package. So after having the virtual environment activated, we can run the minimum enclosed circle and get the enclosing circle radius at 42 and points where the center of the circle lies. An HTML is created, and after right-clicking on it and showing it in the browser, we can explore the points, the center, and the circle itself.